Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the fastest way to get into this option to turn it on, and then I'll show you how to customize it. So in order to turn on the eye comfort, we have to unroll the top bar and unroll it fully right here. However, be aware that you have to do it from the right side because the left side will open the notifications. So right here we have to find this eye comfort icon and let's tap on it to apply. And I hope that you can see the changes. The screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What is more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this option is totally for you. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And in order to enter the settings or the options which are connected with the eye comfort, you can tap on it and hold it, and you will be transferred to the options. However, I'd like to show you the full path of how to get there. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to enter the display brightness and tap on the eye comfort. And here we've got the options. First of all, let's turn it on just by tapping on enable all day. And right here you can really see the difference between the before and after. Here we've got the filter level, which simply means that we can change the intensity of the feature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler a little bit, and by going to the right, warmer. The differences are not huge, as you can see, but still they are kind of visible. You can also schedule that feature, so you can freely pick the start and the end time, and after applying, your device will automatically turn on and off the eye comfort. As you can see, the screen automatically turned yellow. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.